Hello, in front of me I've got Asus ROG Phone 6D. In this video I'll show you how to set custom ringtone. In the beginning, let's go to settings. Enter sound and vibration. Go to phone ringtone. Select SIM card, tap plus in the top right corner and select your custom sound. Unfortunately, the current format is not correct for this phone, but basically that's the process how to do it. Then you'll have to simply select it from the list. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.